Hello, I'm here today at 701 Fern Drive in DeLand, Florida. Large corner lot, larger than a quarter acre, here on the west side of DeLand, about 2 miles from Stetson University and historic downtown DeLand. Beautiful neighborhood here, quiet little subdivision, larger homes, larger lot sizes, beautifully landscaped, 4-bedroom, 3-bath brick home with a 3-car garage. About, I believe, 2,265 square feet. Sorry for the sun there. Can't do anything about that. But, whoa, one of the neighbors is doing some work there. There's the view from the front yard. We're going to step inside here. So as we step in, see the large main area. Popping off my shoes here. Plantation shutters, tall ceilings. You'll see some sun tubes. Bonus area here. This nice little room. This little room is really nice for, if somebody wants to watch a football game and somebody else doesn't, or might make a great office space. So we're going to just take a little look here. There's over towards the kitchen. Gas fireplace, split floor plan. That's the primary suite, which we'll look at in a minute. Dining area. And as we head back to the main living area, look at the other side of it. You see outside here from the dining area overlooks the pond. Don't know how well you can see that through my little camera here, but we'll have more of that in a moment. So let's go take a look at the primary suite here, just because it's on this end of the home. It does have pool entrance. There's the view. Not much of a view there the way I did that, but bear with me. We're having fun here. So we head into the large bathroom. There's dual walk-in closets here, one on each side. Not huge, but certainly more than I'll ever need. Large garden tub, dual vanities, walk-in shower, water closet. It's a water closet. And kind of see what we're looking at here from this side. And we'll zip on back out, head to the kitchen and the other bedrooms. Okay. Past the dining area, straight ahead for reference is bedrooms 3 and 4, which we'll come to in a minute. Here's the kitchen. There's a bunch of slide-out cabinets in here. Dishwasher is pretty new. I forget exactly, but it's pretty new. It's a beautiful kitchen, very open. A bunch of new fixtures throughout the home. Let's take a quick look to the garage through the dining area. Through the laundry room. Washer and dryer are staying with this lovely home. The garage, epoxy floor, workbenches. Of course, 3-car garage, as I mentioned before, garage door openers. Garage door opener is newer. A bunch of storage space, utility tub. Head back out, it's just a garage. I know I probably care about a garage more than most, but some don't. So here's the guest bath for this one's right outside what we're calling bedroom 2. Sorry about that fan we left on, guys. That's bedroom 2, though. So now we're going to head over to bedrooms 3 and 4. Before we do that, this bath right here has right next to the kitchen, has pool access, dual vanities, of course. Take a look at bedroom 3 here. What I call bedroom 3 anyways. Okay. Okay, and now we head into bedroom 4. You can see outside there. This one has a view of the lake. So now let's go take a look outside. Let's go check out the back, the lanai, and the saltwater pool. Okay. This is where it's at right here. Absolutely beautiful. Now, a minute ago, somebody was making some noise there. I'm going to just show it this way because of the sun blaring in there. This is a brick home. Not sure if I said that already or not, but there's the pool area, there's the pond, and the back of the home. Thanks for watching.